Long here on this pullback on the Nasdaq. We just got long at 56s, looking for a squeeze through the 70s here. 56 is up in there into the 70s right now. You can see the setup here. We had a little reversal push back up and looking good for a push through that 70 area there next. So right now we are waiting, we are watching the market trying to make this move up here. Looking real good right now. Trading in my Apex account. You can see on the Nasdaq right now this push possible up there to the pivot point there at the 280 area. We'll see if we get through there. This is the 5-minute chart. You can see the setup here. We had resistance. We pushed above it. We pulled back, turned it into support now. So we've turned it into support. Can we get this next push to the next resistance area, being this 80 area, 300, even 320 is the upside there. So you can see the setup, resistance turning into support, very bullish, and we will see if we can get some continuation of this move up here through the 70s next. All right, looking good here, trying to get this push straight up through the 70s. I love these types of setups, right? I just like it when it makes it easy. Give me this breakout type of setup here. Put my little yellow line on there. Get the push to the pivot points. Pivot points love to get touched. It's common knowledge. If you don't know about the pivot points, I don't know what you've been doing. You've been watching the wrong channel. So again, we had the pullback into the gap today, this morning, the reversal, the push back up. After that point, I'm thinking that there's more chance that we kind of chop higher than we go lower after we filled that gap there. And very kind of, I don't want to say bullish momentum, but just the idea of filling that gap already played out. And then now it's like, okay, let's see, you know, what happens here next. So getting this push through this level, looking for that 70 break. And we are then off to the races. Dollar right now trying to sell down here. The ES and Nasdaq just like right there, that key level. I think if it gets through this level, it's got legs, but we got to get through this level first. We're right at a pivot point as well on the QQQ here. So we're right there below that pivot point now. We got to get through that pivot point here. QQQ chart, the Nasdaq ETF sitting here, VWAP. We bounce off the VWAP on the Qs, bounce off the VWAP on the Nasdaq. We're looking good. Looking real good to get through that pivot point there. Try to get this breakout. We're right up there above the 70s, baby. Flirting with the idea of it. The Nasdaq flirting with pushing through 70s here. Giving it some time, being patient. We're at a good spot. Great spot. Great spot right here. Almost 1 o'clock here. We'll see if we get a better move on that hourly candle closes. We got 2 minutes left here. 12:58 right now. 12:58. See if we get this push through the 70s strong. Got 1 minute left here until that hourly candle closes here 1 o'clock. There we go. Trying to get this push through the 70s. Hourly candle closing. Come on, baby. Give it to me. 10 seconds till the close on that hourly candle. And getting filled there. Beautiful. I'm going to try to put a little bit more just to take it off there at 77s. There we go. Beautiful. What a trade. What a trade. What a trade. Look at that thing. Breaking out there again. We had our resistance, 35, 35s, 34s, turning into support. The push up to the pivot point. The breakout there, long. Look at this entry here, right? We get the breakout here, 57 area. We go over here. We look at my 1 minute chart. We get this breakout through here. We pull back. I jump in along right there, 56s. Get this push right up there to the pivot point. And that's all we need. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. If you guys want to learn more, right now, 80% off with Apex 1-day pass. Let's go. Tune in every day, 9 a.m. right here on YouTube.